Michelle, you are everything I could ask for, and I still don't know how I got so lucky, but I promise to cherish you every day for the rest of my life.
Can I call you Rose? 'Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom.
Thank you.
These past 9 years have been the best moments of my life because of you. We've grown up together, we've grown into ourselves, and now standing here soon to become husband and wife.
I wanna plant you in my heart. Oh, so let grow.
I promise to be your shoulder to lean on as you have been mine.
I promise to wake up every day and try to make you as happy as you make me.
I promise to be open and honest with you at all times, so I may be the person you can always trust.
I promise to always appreciate you and never let a day go by where I'm not reminded of how lucky I am to have you as my husband.
I promise I love you more than anyone else in this whole world, and I always will.
And most importantly, I promise to never stop choosing you, never stop standing beside you, and never stop loving you.
I wanna plant you in my heart. Oh, so let grow.
A wedding is one of the rare moments in life when all the important people from different chapters gather in one place. Your presence here means so much because today isn't just about the couple standing here. It's about the community that has supported them, laughed with them, and helped shape who they are. And today, we're here to celebrate something beautifully simple and incredibly meaningful. Two people who found someone they want to spend the rest of their life with and are ready to make that official in front of you all today. This isn't just about two people who fell in love. It's about two people who truly know each other, who have built something strong, and who choose every day to continue building that together. I can say, without hesitation, they are not only perfect partners for each other, but two people who make everyone around them better. Do you promise to stand by Michelle and share in all of life's adventures, the good days, the difficult days, and everything in between?
I do.
It's a good answer. Do you promise to stand by Luch and share in all of life's adventures, the good days, the difficult days, and everything in between?
I do.
It's beautifully said.
I give you this ring
As a symbol of my love,
and my commitment.
today and always.
Today you declared your commitment to one another in front of the people who matter to you most. By the authority vested in me, it is my great honor to pronounce you Mr. and Mrs. Reeser. Kiss your bride.
If you leave Luch alone long enough, he'll start chatting with a brick wall. No matter who he's with, he finds a way to make a connection and start a conversation that makes you feel like you've known him for years. He keeps that good humor and kind-heartedness despite it all, and it's something I've always admired about him. Everyone has struggles, but pushing through and contributing to function is half the battle. The other half is maintaining who you are. And I feel good about this marriage knowing that Lucci has that skill mastered. And Lord knows Michelle is more than a match in this category. I've seen Michelle work an all-night shift, sleep for maybe 3 hours, crush a Dunkin' Ice, and then be ready for the rest of the day. Michelle and Lucci are two people who care about others and don't let life and its many problems get in the way of living. I'm so excited for these two to begin this chapter of their lives together, so cheers to the racers.
As the relationship grew, what stood out wasn't big gestures, it was how they felt when they were apart and how they felt together. Michelle once told me she knew she loved Lucci because when they weren't together, it felt like a piece of her was missing. And Lucci shared, sorry to leave you guys on a cliffhanger there, that he knew he loved her because with Michelle, he felt emotionally safe. He could say or do anything and she would love him for it, even if it meant making her wait another 7 years for a proposal. Michelle, you are my best friend, and watching you find someone who meets you with patience, steadiness, and care has been incredibly meaningful to me. Lucci, thank you for loving her always, showing up for her, and most importantly, making her feel like she is enough. Everyone, please raise a glass to Michelle and Lucci, to a love that feels safe, steady, and real, and to a lifetime of choosing each other. Cheers.
To Michelle's family, I thank you guys so much for creating the most perfect woman that I get to spend the rest of my life with. All right? And then, of course, to my family for making me just good enough to convince her to marry me. No, but seriously, I thank you all for coming out. I'm gonna grab my glass, water, whatever you got, please raise it up with me, and let's all cheers to that.